I'm guilty of ordering that chocolate thick shake in the middle of the night that is topped with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. I'm also guilty of having waffles and pancakes loaded with Nutella every other week. But I knew I had to stop these sugar cravings and swap them to healthier alternatives if I wanted to lose weight. So, in this video, I'm going to show you two of my favorite recipes that I ate a lot of when I got those sugar cravings. I hope these help you. We'll add a tad bit of olive oil to a pan and then add slices of banana, and we'll cook each side for about 20 to 30 seconds. Don't overcook it, we just want it to get a bit caramelized. After you flip it to the other side, just turn off the heat and it will cook by itself. And then we'll toast a brown bread. You can use ghee or a bit of olive oil to toast it. I'm not using anything here. And then after this, the process is so easy. You just take the brown bread. It should be nice and crispy. And then we'll spread peanut butter over it. If you have almond butter, you can use that. And then we'll add our banana slices on top of it. After that, I'm going to add honey on top of it, and then I'll add pumpkin seeds, walnuts, and some cashews. And you can add any other dry fruit that you like, or you can also add flax seeds. This is such a great option when you're craving for something sweet because it is super easy to make. It takes less than 5 minutes and it seriously tastes so amazing that you have to try it. You won't regret it a bit. To a pan, I'll add a cup of milk. You can take almond milk or soya milk. I'm just taking normal milk here. And then I'll add a little bit of water. Then I'll add jaggery for sweetness. This is such a good alternative to sugar. And then I'm gonna give it a good stir so that we don't have any lumps. Then I'm going to add half teaspoon of cocoa powder. You can add more if you like. And then again I'll stir it properly so that we don't have any lumps, and we're going to do this on a medium heat. I'm going to chop half of this banana into small pieces, and then I'm going to add this to our milk. And this is the only source of sweetness along with jaggery, so we are not adding any white sugar to this. So after we have added the banana, I'll add oats. These are Quaker whole wheat oats. And then after I add this, I'll give it a nice stir and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes until it gets really soft and gooey. So you see it has such a nice texture and it has reduced in size. This is the point where I turn off the heat and add 1 teaspoon of peanut butter, and then again we'll mix it all up. After that, we'll transfer this to a bowl, and then you can top it up with your favorite fruits and dry fruits. I like to sprinkle some ready-made muesli on top of it to give it a nice crunch, and then I also like to add few slices of apples. Whenever I got the cravings for Nutella pancakes or waffles, I would go for these healthier alternatives, and seriously, I don't get those cravings now. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for more such videos.